guys, it's jerrymetalmanbattaglia out here in Shirley, New York. A couple weeks ago we had a tornado, and let me just show you what it did to my friend Joe's car after a big oak tree fell on it. Big tree fell on Joe's car. Hold on a second, check this out. Check it out. Big tree fell on Joe's car. His Jeep, his 2004 Jeep. And there it goes. We got it running though. So what happens when a tornado comes in town and a big oak tree falls on your truck. Well, there it goes. So thank God, Joe, you weren't in the truck, right?
Nah, thank God for it.
Well, the big oak tree, see some of the trees are snapped over here. There's one right there too, pine tree, but up there too. So that's what happens when a big giant oak tree falls on your truck and wipes it out and tolls it.